Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hew. In today's video, we'll be drawing the normal and tangent to the drawing that we constructed in the previous video, which is entitled How to Construct an Involute to a Square. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're going to identify the point P. To identify the point P, I'm going to turn off snap. I'm going to draw a random line here. Enter. This line is not part of the construction. It's just to show you where P is. All right. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go single line text and I'm going to label this point P. I'm going to turn off object snap. So P would be right here. 6 millimeters would be the height. Rotational angle would be 0. And then I type the letter P. Okay, the next step is to draw a line from D. Gonna turn on object snap to intersect P. Enter. Alright. What I'm gonna do, this line will be the normal. So I'm gonna draw a line out here, which is a construction line. Enter. And then I'm gonna use the extend command. EX are the shortcut, and when I click on it, enter, that line would be the normal. I'm going to delete this line. This line is not part of the construction. Alright, so I'm going to go single line text. I'm going to turn off object snap and I'm going to select right here. Rotational, the height will be 6, press enter. Rotational angle looks like 120. So I'm going to label now normal. Alright. We need to rotate the word. So we're going to click the object, press enter. The base point would be there. I'm gonna rotate it just like that. We're gonna move it away from the line, which is a normal. This is just a label. Enter. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna construct a 90-degree at P, right? So we're gonna go arc, center point, center start end. Gonna turn on object snap. And we're gonna draw a radius 20 semicircle. Enter. Where the semicircle intersect the normal, I'm going to draw arcs to intersect the semicircle previously drawn. So center start end, the radius would be 20. Alright, we're going to go back again. Center start end, center would be here. The radius will be 20. Enter. Gonna mark 2 more arcs. Center start end. Radius will be 20. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Center start in. Radius will be 20. Right? We're gonna draw a line from the intersecting arcs to P. Enter. I'm gonna draw a random line here. No, we have a line there already, so I'm gonna draw the line at the top here. Press enter, and I'm gonna use the extend command. Extend. I'm gonna click on the line. Let me extend. So I click on the line. All right, there it is. Good. Enter. What I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this line. It's a construction line. I don't need it. Delete. All right, so that's a tangent. We're going to extend the tangent in the towards the south. So we type extend and we click on the line. All right, there it is, extended. All right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to trim this line. This line isn't needed all the way out there. So I'm going to go to trim, trim this line, trim that line. All right. So this line is a normal. All right. Gonna put this line, gonna put this line on the outline. See this, and I'm also gonna put the normal on the outline layer. Good. So I'm gonna label this line now tangent. So I go single line text. I'm gonna turn off object snap. I'm gonna start it right here. The height of the 6 rotational angle would be 60 degrees. And I'm going to label this now tangent. All right, we need to rotate it. So we click on the object, which is the words, press enter. The base point would be right here. And then when I rotate it, that is a tangent. All right, so good job if you followed along. Now, when I click on the involute, you notice that we have what? One arc, two, three, four arcs, right? What I'm going to do, I'm going to go under the modify ribbon and I'm going to click this is join and it will be one now, look. So when I click on it, it's now one entity. So good job if you followed along. In today's video, we looked at the construction of the normal and tangent to the involute, which was drawn to a square in the previous video. So we have come to the end of today's video. In the next video, we'll be looking at the enlargement of a plane figure. So we're looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Please take care until we meet again. Bye. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at the construction of the normal and tangent to the involute of a square. In the next video, we'll be looking at the construction of circles to satisfy definite conditions. We look forward to seeing you in that video. Please take care until we meet again. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share.